It is my honor to announce this occasion the established Saudi-Pakistan Tech House that will have its headquarters in Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, and will have its first branch in Lahore, with a plan to have our Saudi tech houses in every region, from east to west. Lastly, I'm looking forward to welcome all Pakistan's entrepreneurs, SMEs, and VCs tech ecosystem to work with matching Saudi counterparts and to further boost the relationship between the two countries. I would like to announce at Future Fest that we, ILSA Interactive, will be proud to be the catalyst for this partnership and to provide a platform for greater collaboration and growth, and indeed a new dimension of cooperation, and mobilize and provide a platform for greater development to promote the long-standing strategic relationship between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. The company was founded back in 2009 by my dear partner Salman Nasser. I joined ILSA Interactive as a co-founder in 2016. I made that decision by looking at the qualitative work produced by ILSA. My journey to Pakistan started 5 years ago to explore the possibilities of establishing an IT company in Lahore, the hub of the IT industry in Pakistan in 2016. The resources in Pakistan are very talented in all fields. I had a pleasant experience with them. Technical resources, user experience, and quality assurance resources and more have been great to work with. Let me also give you a short break of ILSA's interactive journey. From 2009 to 2016, we had a team of 15 members. Our total project's value for 5 years was approximately $750,000. However, from 2016, which was the time I partnered with Mr. Salman, to 2022, more than 250 jobs were created, in addition to securing more than 50 projects, with a total project value today with more than $10 million. Our growth rate in 5 years reached 247%, which is 13x multiplies. For the next 5 years, we're looking forward to creating more than 1,000 jobs in Pakistan, 100 projects with a minimum total project value of $100 million. In our headquarters in Riyadh, we have qualified Saudis in the IT sectors who handle our activities in Saudi Arabia and coordinate with the Lahore office and facilitate with other strategic partners. May Allah bless all of you. Saudi, Pakistan, Dosti, Zindabad.